days tambay. Dito naman tayo sa Montalban, Rizal. So samahan niyo muna ulit ako for another day's tambay. Kulot na tambay. So yun nga, nandito tayo sa Montalban to watch a game of baseball. So this moment ang naglalaro or ang magkalaban is Lasal from Lipa, and I think this is the Philippine women's baseball team, Philippine team. At yung kasama natin right over there, yung mga Canosa Lipa baseball team. So here, as you can see, coach of the Philippine women's baseball team, and batting for this inning is De La Salle. Try pa natin kung makapagpalipad tayo ng drone kasi parang mahigpit dito. Medyo mahigpit sila rito. So yun guys, that's all for today's tambay, kulot. So see you again on my next video. Kulot now.